Okay, so today we'll start with the network analysis subject. Okay, तो इसके लिए तुम्हारी बीटी क्या होनी चाहिए, बहुत अच्छी स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए, राइट। एज इट से कि कोर्स प्लान में व्हाट इज द टॉपिक्स, node voltage analysis of circuit, mesh current analysis of circuit, node voltage, mesh current, and then the theorems. Okay, so ये basically you have studied already in the first year in BT, correct? So let's start with the mesh analysis. Okay, so now I am giving you a very simple circuit. You need to just draw the equation based on that. Okay, just try it. If you will be able to do it, then it's good. If you're not, then I'll tell you. Draw the circuit in your notebook. Now in calculation of mesh analysis, step number 1, we have to calculate the number of meshes. ठीक है? Now just imagine this is your room. ये क्या है? तुम्हारा room है. And in this, sorry, ये तुम्हारा house है. And in this house, how many rooms are there? Imagine करो, ये तुम्हारा घर है. And how many rooms are there in this case? 2 rooms? 2 room. 2 rooms means we'll have 2 mesh. Okay, so one of the mesh is which one? A B C D. Another of the mesh is B E F C. Got it? So 2 mesh हैं. 2 mesh means 2 variable, and 2 variable means we need to make 2 equations. Okay, 2 variable means, like suppose in this, just imagine this is your house. So how many people can live in this house? 2, because 2 rooms are available, right? So suppose this is the room of I1 and this is the room of I2. Okay, now step number 2 is mark current direction. Okay, current direction you can mark it according to your convenience. Both can move clockwise, both can move anti-clockwise. One move can move clockwise, another anti-clockwise, and vice versa. Okay, but I'll suggest my students ki same ही direction लो. Don't get confused कि कभी ये ले रहे हो कभी ये ले रहे हो. Always take clockwise. Okay, now step number 3 is mark sign convention. Okay, sign convention means, like as you know that current always flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal. So now in this case current I1 is moving from A to B, right? So it would be positive to negative. Now I1 is flowing from B to C, positive, negative. Battery sign will always remain same irrespective of the current direction. Bigger terminal will be positive and smaller terminal would be always negative. Okay, बैटरी का साइन विल रिमेन सेम. ठीक है, बड़े वाली लाइन दैट वुड बी पॉजिटिव, छोटे वाली लाइन दैट वुड बी नेगेटिव. ऑलवेज डायरेक्शन करंट की कुछ भी हो. ओके, नाउ आई विल मार्क द सेकंड mesh positive negative because current is moving from B to E, right? Bigger terminal is positive, smaller terminal is. Now tell me, I2 is moving from C to B or B to C? See the direction, it is moving from C to B or B to C? C to B. So C will be marked as positive or negative? Positive, because current is moving from positive to negative. Clear? Any doubt up to here? Step number 3 completed. Now step number 4, apply KVL. Apply KVL in mesh 1. Okay, now just imagine you are standing at A position and you need to back to be at A only. ठीक है, लाइक जस्ट इमेजिन दिस इज योर होम, कि घर से निकली हो तो वापस कहाँ जाओगी, घर पे ही जाओगी. ओके, so whatever the second sign that comes in your path, you have to take that. A से B गए, what is the second sign that is coming in your path? Positive or negative? What is the second sign that comes in your path? A से B, second, हमेशा second लेना है. Minus, resistance is how much? 4. Current is how much? I1. Okay. Now you are moving from B to C. Mesh 1 is which one? A, B, C, D. Right? What is the second sign now it's coming in your path? Positive or negative? C. Resistance is how much? 6 ohm. 6, 6, 6. B to C. First mesh is this one ना. ए पे खड़ी हो, ए से कहाँ जाओगी, बी पे, बी से सी पे, सी से डी पे, एंड डी टू ए. राइट? So now, -6. Now there is a confusion कि I1 लेना है, I2 लेना है, दोनों लेने हैं. So we'll take both I1 minus I2. Reason, as I told you, just imagine this is your house, right? तो house की हमेशा corner walls में, like these are the corner walls of your house, right? In the corner walls there is a flow of single current, clear? And in the middle wall there is a flow of always double current. Okay, तो यहाँ पे दो करंट फ्लो होंगे. If you'll see it from I1, then it would be I1. I2 की साइड से देखोगे तो I2, तो it would be I1 minus I2. Now the question arises कि हाँ, now the question arises कि नेगेटिव क्यों है, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट साइंस आर अपोजिट. ओके, if signs are same, then the current will add with each other, and if the signs are opposite, ये वाला पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, यहाँ पे देखो पॉजिटिव के साथ क्या है, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव. वन मोर थिंग, एक मिनट. लाइक सपोज दिस इज 6 ohm, here the current flowing is I1, right? Here the current flowing is I2. Now again I1 is moving up to down, right? So just imagine you are I1, कि तुम कह रही हो कि मैं I don't want to attend the lecture is boring, so I am going to canteen. ठीक है, you are going down towards the canteen. Now just imagine I2 is one of your friend. She is saying that कि no, I have to attend the lecture whether it would be understood or not. So she is going up to attend the lecture. Okay, you both are in the same direction or in the opposite direction? Opposite direction. I1 is moving down, I2 is moving up. But वैसे देखोगे तो both are clockwise, right? But if you'll see with the middle wall respect, then both are opposite. And opposite होगा, then currents will add with each other or subtract with each other? If you are taking the room of I1, तो I1 minus I2 आ जाएगा. If you are doing from I2, then I2 minus I1. Okay, understood? तो -6 I1 minus I2. C to D कुछ भी नहीं है, leave it. Okay, D to A. What is the second sign? Positive. So it would be plus 10 is equal to 0. वापस आ गए घर पे. So this is your first mesh equation. Note it down. Mine, yes, correct. So this is your second mesh equation. अब easy है ना? See, if you know the concept, so you can solve any and hard question. So two variable, two equation, then you can solve it easily. Now tell me कि calculator में solve करना आता है या नहीं आता? Now next category based question, अगर तुम्हारे पास current source है तो, ठीक है? इसमें भी सेम स्टेप्स चलेंगे। स्टेप नंबर 1 क्या था, बताओ मुझे। मैश देखने होते हैं। कितने मैश है यहाँ पे? 2। स्टेप नंबर 2, मार्क करंट डायरेक्शन, ठीक है। ये I1 हो गया और ये कितना हो गया, I2। क्लियर। स्टेप नंबर 3, केवीएल लगाएंगे। अब केवीएल लगाओगे तो फर्स्ट मैश में तुम लगा सकते हो, सेकेंड मैश में तुम्हारे पास क्या आ रहा है, करंट सोर्स। अब तुम ऐसे सोचो कि करंट सोर्स तुम्हारा क्या है, दुश्मन, एनिमी, ठीक है। अब तुम सोचो, इमेजिन करो कि दुश्मन तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा है, तो क्या करोगे उसको, उसके साथ क्या करोगे तुम? या तो उसे लड़ाई मार दोगे, लड़ाई में मर जाएगा वो या मर जाएगी वो। और अगर लड़ने की हिम्मत नहीं है, तुम्हें दिख रहा है कि वो ज्यादा पावरफुल है, होता है ना, तो फिर उस केस में क्या करोगे, जहाँ पे है वो वहां से जाना अवॉइड करोगे, राइट। तो देखो दो केसेस होते हैं, एक तो ये कि करंट सोर्स है कॉर्नर वॉल में, दुश्मन है तुम्हारा कॉर्नर वॉल में। दूसरा केस होता है जिसमें करंट सोर्स मतलब दुश्मन आता है तुम्हारा बीच में, ओके। तो तुम्हें वही चीज करनी है जो अभी तुमने अपने दुश्मन के लिए सोची थी, कि तुम्हें दुश्मन वाले रास्ते से नहीं जाना, चाहे तुम्हें बड़े वाला रास्ता लेना पड़े, ओके। तो तुम कहाँ पे खड़ी हो, ए पे। ए से कहाँ घूम के जाना है, ए पे ही जाना है। ए से कहाँ गई, बी पे। बी से बताओ दुश्मन वाले रास्ते से जाओगी, तुम बड़े वाले रास्ते से घूम के घर पे आ जाओगी, पर दुश्मन वाले रास्ते से नहीं जाओगी। जब भी हम ऐसे बड़े वाला रास्ता लेते हैं, दैट इज टेक्निकली वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ सुपर mesh, okay, that will call it as a super mesh. So now we need to apply KVL in super mesh, that is A B C D A. Rest of the steps are same. Here the current I1 is flowing, here the current I2 is flowing, then mark the sign convention, okay, then take the mesh equation. Now you tell me the mesh equation. You are moving from A to B. What is the second sign that comes in your path? Positive or negative? Negative. Resistance is how much? 4. Current is I1. Now you are moving from B to C. What is the second sign? Negative. Right? 6 I2. Then minus 8 I2 plus 10 is equal to 0. ठीक है। Now as you know that there are two variables, so one equation we need to make it from the current source, इस वाले से। Now you suppose the current source value here is 2 ampere. Now we need to see the direction, okay, I1 direction and 2 ampere direction. Tell me, it's they are flowing in the same direction or in the opposite direction? Opposite direction or same direction? हमेशा ऐसे देखना कि up to down. 2 ampere is moving from E to B and I1 is moving from B to E, right? So they are moving in the opposite direction, so it would be minus I1. I2 and 2 ampere, they are moving in the same direction or opposite direction? 2 2 ampere. Okay, I 2 ampere is moving from E to B, and I2 is also moving from E to, so they are in the same direction. Same direction means positive, opposite direction means negative. That would be equal to 2 ampere. So two variable, two equation, now you can solve it. Okay, understood? Now back to this. If suppose current source is in the corner wall, okay, तो इसमें तो current source नहीं है, we can simply make the mesh equation. Now तुम बताओ mesh की equation. अब next equation we need to make it from the current source, क्योंकि current source वाले रास्ते से तो हम जाएंगे नहीं, right? Current source is what? Our enemy. We can't go through the path where current source is present. So we'll make direct equation from the current source. ठीक है? Now the question arises कि current source is in the middle wall or corner wall? Current source is in the middle wall, right? And in the corner wall. And in the corner wall there is a flow of single current or double current? Yeah, single current. Okay, and now tell me कि I2 की direction and 3 ampere की direction is same or different? I2 is moving up to down, 3 ampere is moving down to up. So if it is a different direction, then it would be positive or negative? Negative. So these are the two equation. ठीक है? Now in this case current source was in the middle wall, तो दो current. ठीक है? If current source is in the corner wall, then single. Got it?